Hey guys, how to get in-use coupons on Dhgate. To get in-use coupons on Dhgate, find the claim coupon packs on the platform's website or in-app. So when you decide to buy, let's say, this product, under the product you're gonna see like a little coupons and discounts. So I'm gonna choose this product, for example. You're gonna find right here the coupon and discount. This is one of the ways to use and leverage the discounts from Dhgate. Another way of doing it, you can get coupons directly from Dhgate, from the app, right, from their through their social media, or from deal websites like Swagbucks, in Groupon, and also in my case I'm using Simply Codes, right, and specifically Dhgate, the promo codes. Right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit view the code, and now I'm gonna copy it and add it to the product coupon or gift card, right, depend really. So let's say I'm buying this product, right, I'm gonna head to the checkout, right, and then add basically the coupon or the code from here, and then hit apply. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.